To start using Liongard's Power BI integration, you're going to need two things. First, you're going to need Power BI desktop software. There's a couple ways you can grab this. One is you can Google download Power BI desktop and be taken directly to Microsoft's website in order to download it. At the time of this recording, when I do click this download, it will take me to the Microsoft store. So this is your second option, just to go directly to the Microsoft store and download Power BI desktop here. So go ahead and download Power BI desktop. I've already done so, as you can see here. Once you've completed this step, the next thing you'll need is Liongard's Power BI data connector. To get our data connector, you'll need to go to our doc site. You're going to scroll down to the left-hand side to where the Microsoft Power BI section is and click this first tab right here. On this page, in step 2, you're going to see the Liongard Power BI Data Connector download link right here. Go ahead and click that and download the data connector. You can save that. Now you'll see that whenever you download this file, we'll have to go to this custom path right here to place it. So you're going to have to create this path, and I'll show you how right now. If you open your File Explorer, I found that this works best if you go to the This PC section of your File Explorer. Then you're going to open Documents right here. And then you need to create this custom folder titled Power BI Desktop, just as I have. Go ahead and create that. And once you have, open that folder. Now you're going to create a second folder, and you're going to call it Custom Connectors, just as I have here. So go ahead and create that folder. Once you're done, go ahead and open it. And now the file that you downloaded, our custom connector from our website, you need to place that file within this custom connectors file as I have. Okay, that's it. So now we're done here. We're going to actually go ahead and open Power BI Desktop. So go ahead and do so now. Now, once your Power BI Desktop loads, we're going to need to change one setting so that Power BI Desktop can recognize the custom connector that you just set up. So in order to do this, we need to go to the settings option for Power BI Desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this screen. I'm going to go up here to File, and we'll go to Options and Settings. We'll hit Options right here. And then we're going to find the Security tab here on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click that. And then we need to choose this option under Data Extensions to allow any extension to load without validation or warning. So go ahead and select that. This is so that Power BI Desktop can recognize the custom connector that you just placed in that folder. Once you're done, go ahead and hit OK. Now, I found that in order for these changes to take effect, the best thing to do is to go ahead and close Power BI Desktop completely and reopen it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So make sure you close it out, and let's relaunch it. And our last step here is we want to validate that the connector is now showing up inside of Power BI. Okay, once Power BI Desktop loads, we're going to go ahead and get the data. So you probably have this option right here, which you can select, or you can choose it up here. Let's go to Get Data. Okay, on this screen, we're presented with all the different data sources that we can use to pull in data. What we want to do is we want to look for the Liongard connector. So in this search field here in the top left, we can go ahead and type in Lion, and this will filter down accordingly and show you right here that you have the custom connector correctly set up. So this, you're all good to go if you're seeing this right here on your screen. If you're not, please go back in this video and just double check the steps. Make sure you created that folder path as I have, and you've placed the custom connector within it. And make sure you've set the security setting accordingly and that you've relaunched your Power BI Desktop. In the next video, we'll go ahead and use this connector and start pulling in data from your Liongard.